With the foam roller, we're just going to get the body moving and getting it rolling over the tissue to get some of the liquid in between the muscles and under the connective tissue moving around to make everything move a little more smoothly. So we're going to start on the thighs, just going up and down, and then you're going to slide over to the outside of the thigh where you're just, again, rolling from the hip down towards the outside of the knee, just in a nice, smooth, controlled motion. Being on the ground like this helps you get your body moving all over the place. As you can see, the shoulders are moving. You're getting the arms, the upper body, the torso, even working a little bit of core here. Then you're going to switch over to the other side of the thigh where you can just kind of hit that IT band a little bit. You don't want to go too hard. You just want a nice, comfortable rolling motion. Again, almost like a rolling pin smoothing out the dough. Then you're going to flip over and get on the side of the glute where you're just kind of rocking back and forth, really trying to feel out different areas of the body. If there's any tightness, you want to kind of roll into it a little bit. Then you're going to see crossing the leg here, which is going to make it a little bit more intense. You can do that or not do that if you'd like, but that's going to pinpoint and expose the glutes a little differently. And then the other side. So doing the same thing on both the right side and the left side. And again, just moving in nice smooth motions. This is just to get the tissue a little bit more extensible and a little bit more flowing and even warmed up. So when you go into your workouts, everything's moving a little bit better, kind of like loosening up that warm taffy as opposed to going into it nice and cold. So now we're just hitting the back of the hamstrings, just going from the back of the knee up towards the hips. Then we're going to get the calves. And once you get down to the back side of the lower legs, you can kind of move your feet outward and then also turn them inward. And you can kind of go back and forth, hitting the inside of the calf, hitting the outside of the calf. And you'll see me switching my feet around there. And then just going to go to the mid to lower back and just roll up and down here. You might feel a couple little cracks, couple pops. Usually feels pretty good, but really just hitting the whole backside of the body. Don't go too low on the lower back here because that can cause some discomfort. Then we're going to go over to the outside, more to the lats. Just again rolling up and down, just enough to kind of hit every little part of the body. And we're going to get the left side, moving up and down, bracing with your feet, kind of taking the load off.